Okay, so we're talking about the external world, right? And how we all come from a place where we believe we need things from the external world to survive. Okay. But in terms of who you really are as a self, capital S, in your real self, you don't need anything. Okay, but this goes to show you, under the death paradigm, we believe in an external world that somehow we have to figure out how to survive in. Okay, that's the job for most of us. How do we survive in this external world? Okay, what do we need to take to keep ourselves healthy, to keep ourselves young as long as we can? Okay? All right, and also we do believe in separation. We really do believe that you're different than me. But in terms of spiritually, there's only one of us here. If we can embrace that idea that there's only one consciousness thinking, okay, and all that's happening is each one of us is directing thinking in a little bit of a different way. Because the idea that you are just a physical body, okay, is so insulting to your real essence. But we do everything we can to preserve this sense of little self, little identity, okay, where that sense of little identity allows us to judge others. In other words, if I can put you outside of me and say that you have nothing to do with me, you have nothing to do with my consciousness, my thoughts, then it's easy for me to project blame onto you. Well, that had nothing to do with me. Okay? And that's not really what's really true in the eternal life paradigm. In the eternal life paradigm, you're understanding that it's all of us. It's all one thing. We're all each other. There is no division in that sense. There is no you outside of me. Actually, there is no outside. Okay, period. There is no outside.